No, 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 no. Aren't there any good guys out there today? I wonder who it was. Oh, it looks like we got some mail. Let's see what we have. Junk, 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 junk. What's this? Mandy, come celebrate Valentine's Day on my love seat. I'm here waiting for you. Love, Rick. Rick? Who's Rick? I think I have a secret admirer.
Taking a trip to Mandy's house. Making stuff is what we're all about. She will show you how to make stuff too. Make all of your dreams come true. It's Mandy, how dandy. It's Mandy's house.
Hi, y'all, and welcome to Mandy's house. I'm Mandy, and today I received a very mysterious letter in the mail from a secret admirer named Rick. I think he's going to invite me over to his house to sit on his love seat. Pretty exciting, right? Well, before I call the number on the card, I should just get ready for a date just in case he invites me over like right now. Since it's Valentine's Day, I think I'm gonna wear something pink. Also, I'll need something to protect myself with in case this Rick is a crazy psycho. Oh, I know, I have just the thing. This dress with secret pockets. That way I can have a knife in my pocket and no one will know. Wait, this dress isn't pink. But I have a solution. We can make it pink. Let me show you how. I've been saving these avocado seeds in my freezer for about 2 years now. And now we finally have a perfect occasion to use them. Avocado seeds are a natural dye to dye things pink. And we just need a couple more ingredients. You'll need at least 6 avocado seeds. I'm going to use them all. Why not? Some cream of tartar and alum. This will act as the mordant. I'll get more into that later. And you also need some fabric. I picked my fabric up at the thrift store. Just make sure your fabric is made 100% of natural materials. Synthetic fabric like nylon and polyester won't work with natural dyes. Now, the fabrics I chose all have different properties. There are 2 different types of natural fabrics to choose from, natural and non-natural. I mean, plant and animal-based fabrics. So I have my plant fabrics on this side and my animal fabrics on this side, and we're going to see how they do. I've never done this before, so we're going to do a little experiment. Let me show you what I have, and then we can discuss the properties of each one. First, I have a dress made out of rayon, which structurally has the same composition as cellulose, which is derived from wood pulp. It's considered to be a semi-synthetic, so we'll see how it turns out during our dye experiment today. My dress here is a mixture of linen and cotton, so that should turn out just fine. I also have a bed sheet here that I thought would be fun to try to tie-dye. It's made 100% of Egyptian cotton. I'm also going to throw in some cotton yarn just to see how that does as well. For the animal fabrics, I have a 100% Pashima scarf. Pashima is spun from the hairs of the Changfangi goat. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. Changfangi? The Changfangi goat is a rare and beautiful goat breed from the plateaus of India. I also have this hank of wool yarn, and we'll see how that goes. For the first step, I cleaned all of our fabrics in the washing machine today with a little detergent and soap. This step is called scouring. It removes all the oils from your clothes so the dye can stick to it. Next, I weighed all my fabrics, and I'll put a list of all my fabrics here on the side. I weighed all my fabrics so we know how much mordant to use, and we'll know how many seeds we use in case we ever want to repeat this experiment again. Now we're ready to start mordanting. A mordant is anything that allows the dye to attach to the fibers of the fabric. With it, you get brighter and more saturated colors. I will list in the description below where you can find some different mordants. Today, we'll be using alum and cream of tartar. I found both of these in the spice aisle at my local grocery store. Alum is used for pickling, and cream of tartar, I think, is used for baking. Typically, you would use different mordants for plants and animal fibers, but today is an experiment, so we're just using these two. I have a big pot here, and in it I put some water. We're going to heat this water up and then put the alum and the cream of tartar in and let it dissolve. For 45 minutes, and after 45 minutes, I'll be back. Welcome back. We're going to remove the fabric from the mordant solution now, and we'll just put it into another pot, and then we'll be ready to make our dye. Avocado pits have tannins like a red wine, so mordants aren't completely necessary, but I suspect we'll get a much lighter color if we don't use one. Now it's time to make the dye. I filled this pot up with a bunch of water, and now we're going to take our avocado seeds and put them in. In go the avocado seeds. Okay, so our dye's been simmering for about an hour now. It's getting pretty dark. I added some baking soda because my dye was starting to look a little orange, and I heard that if you add baking soda, it might be a little bit more pink. So I added about 2 tablespoons in case you were wondering. I have all my fabrics here. They are still damp, and I stuck this sheet in the dryer and folded it up so we can tie-dye it. If you want to see how I tied up this sheet to make a tie-dye, you can subscribe to my Patreon and I'll put a video there. Okay, so let's dye now. So our dye is still really hot, so I'm going to put in the plant fibers first. And I'll turn off the heat, and then when when it cools down, I'll put in the animal fibers so they don't shrink and felt. Oh, look, it's like dyed. Okay, now it looks like everything's in and soaking up the dye. I guess we'll just wait now. You can wait an hour or overnight to get a deeper color. I'm going to wait overnight because I'm sleepy, and we'll look at it in the morning. Good night, fabric. See you tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to check on our fabric that we dyed. Let's see how it looks. It's kind of peachy. I don't hate it. Let's throw it in the dryer and see what we got. Okay, y'all, this is everything that's fresh out of the dryer. You can see that it worked, but it didn't work like really well because everything looks just kind of dirty. I think the best result we got was the wool here. Let me show you some close-ups so we can see. Try this craft again. Next time I'm going to use fresher avocado seeds and maybe a different mordant. The alum mordant seemed to work best on animal fabrics, but not really on the plant fabrics. Anyways, now it's time for my date. Let's get ready. How do I look? How do I look? How do I look? Okay, I think it's time we call Rick and see what his love seat has in store for us. Okay, let's see. 666 6969. It's ringing.
Hello? This is Rick's Furniture Mart. Hello? Hello?
Furniture Mart, Rick? What are you doing at a furniture store?
Yeah, we sell furniture. Did you get our Valentine's Day yet?
Oh, well, yeah, I did.
Yeah, see? They got their Valentine's Day ad, see? Were you interested in buying a love seat for your home today?
Are you telling me that Valentine's Day is just another corporate holiday made up by businesses trying to sell stuff?
Well, it is a holiday.
Thanks for watching Mandy's House. I'm Mandy. If you like this video, if you like this video, like and subscribe to this channel and like this video. Or you can support me on Patreon at www.patreon.com/babyfoxforever. Till next time, stay happy, stay healthy, and stay cute.